Start tonight with an update on the numbers coming out of Central Texas. At least 79 people are dead at this hour across the region due to the catastrophic flooding. Rescue efforts still underway with a known 41 still missing, a number that could actually be much higher, according to authorities. Thanks for being here tonight. I'm Casey Stiegel. A majority of the deaths being reported in this historic flash flood emergency are from Kerr County. 10 girls from the all-girls summer camp, Camp Mystic, are still missing 3 days now into this disaster. Rescue crews are still working through very challenging terrain and conditions to find every last person unaccounted for. We have Team Fox 4 coverage this evening with crews out in Kerr County and right here at home with a look at local relief efforts. Fox 4's Peyton Yeager kicks things off for us tonight live in Hunt, Texas, which is not far from Camp Mystic. Peyton, what's the situation looking like where you are?
Hi, Casey. And today at Camp Mystic, some of those families were allowed to go into the cabins and pull out belongings. Also on the campgrounds, search and rescue crews, they were trying to sift through those mounds of debris along the Guadalupe River. The road here along the river closed today, prioritizing first responders and power crews.
Sunday, the frantic search continues for missing campers and a missing counselor from Hunt, Texas's Camp Mystic. Fox 4 confirmed Camp Mystic director Dick Eastland died trying to save girls from the raging Guadalupe River. While on scene, these men tell Fox 4 they were looking along the riverbank for their missing grandmother. But Sunday afternoon, storms made the recovery efforts more difficult. Rainfall triggered a new flash flood warning. People in Hunt told to get to higher ground. DPS troopers working to communicate on where to evacuate. That panic was felt again with a potential surge of water.
Here in Hunt, you also have homes that were completely washed away. All that's left of this one is the foundation. Another priority today, we had power crews here in Hunt working on these power lines like this one. Broke in half, but also next to it, hanging on a tree, the American flag.
I've chased a lot of hurricanes and tornadoes, and I have never, not once in my career, seen anything like this. This is horrific.
Tyrell Beach, a contract lineman out of Granbury and also a father, taking the devastation personally.
When you see debris and clothing and shoes and stuff, and then you think, you know, that could have been one of their clothing or a tent or a sleeping bag. And yeah, I couldn't tell you how many times I've drove up and down this line bawling my eyes out. So
I got those last kids out this morning on buses, and parents came and got them out.
With multiple camps in Hunt, Assistant Fire Chief Kirk Griffin says the reunifications were still taking place Sunday. Another challenge for his firefighters, clearing the roads and bridges. The drive into Hunt shows the river's downstream violent path. But in the devastation, a sign of hope. The Hunt store changed its sign to now read Hunt Strong. Griffin seeing that help firsthand from across the state.
It is very supportive. So anyway.
Following that weather evacuation that we had this afternoon and also possibly some fatigue, Casey, it is eerily quiet this evening in Hunt. On top of the storms, I mentioned at the top of this newscast the challenging terrain that these first responders are going through. We saw it firsthand as we were driving into Hunt, but those first responders vowed that they will not quit.
Yeah,
Casey.
it's just an arduous task, and our hats go off to all of the first responders and the volunteers who are tirelessly working. Fox 4's Peyton Yeager and photojournalist John Gannan, fantastic work out there. You all stay safe, and we'll look forward to your reports throughout later in the hour, but also, of course, throughout the upcoming week. Peyton, thank you.